is Steve from Roofer911. I'm on a roof in Vienna, Virginia, and this home has multiple leaks, and I'll show you why. You can see the rubber collar here is all deteriorated, and water's getting inside here, and it's leaking inside the attic. Now this one over here is worse. You can see there's a big hole here, and it's leaking inside the home as well. Now also this gutter right here, the water outlet is right here, so it's all clogged up, so the water is not draining. So not only will the water overflow over the front of the gutter, the water will also go over the back. When the water goes over the back, the water will get inside the wall here, and that leak could settle anywhere. Most of the time the water will settle at the lowest point down near the gutter line. Let me see, this pipe here is starting to crack here, and you can see there's a hole here too, so this is leaking as well, but not as bad as these other two. This attic fan does not work, so it would have to be removed and replaced. This attic fan here doesn't work. The flashing over here next to the chimney, it's all pulling away. So they have a leak here. The flashing around the chimney would have to be removed and replaced. This vent pipe collar, you can see it's very bad, so the water's getting inside there as well. Now when I spoke to the homeowner, he said he doesn't have any leaks. But he most definitely does. But the only reason why he doesn't know is because the insulation on the floor in the attic is absorbing the water. Once the insulation becomes saturated, the water will let loose, and then he's going to notice the leaks. Unfortunately, when we do the repairs, he's going to see patches around all these pipes and around the attic fan, because this color, Cinnamon Frost by Certainty XT25, is not made anymore. So if we can reuse the old shingles without damaging in the slightest, then that's what we'll do. Otherwise, you know, it's going to be kind of unsightly. He's got about another 6 more years life on this roof, so it doesn't need to be replaced right now. Again, this is Steve from Roofer911. We specialize in roof repair, roof replacement, and gutter and downspout replacement in Vienna and all areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.